Hey guys, it's here. The Magnum Force Stage 2 Pro 5R from AFE. Cold air intake for a 19 F-150 with the twin turbo Ecoboost. There's the part number. It's rainy today, but we're going to pull the truck in the garage a little bit, get her installed, and we'll see how it sounds. Guys, with everything taken out of the box, we had a metric crap ton of paper filler to keep things nice and protected inside the box during shipping, 2 big filters, new plumbing, the new housing, some goodies and stickers, and the installation instructions. Alright guys, this install isn't hard at all. Only need a few basic things like a flathead screwdriver, a 7mm socket, 1/4-inch drive ratchet, and some extensions. This isn't going to be an installation video. That's going to be under the RatchetWrenches pages. I'll post a link to it somewhere over here, and we'll get cracking to it. I'm waiting for these guys to show up. Alright boys, here they are, the legendary RatchetWrenches. That Hemi. That Hemi. Alright guys, we're halfway through the install with Team Ratchet.
Yo, yo.
Let's see what this thing sounds like at the end. Alright guys, this hose here that goes in between each pipe, from AFE it was a little too long, so we used a tubing cutter and took about 1.5 inches off of it, inch. So if yours is too long, use discretion while cutting this down. Just I'll play it by ear. Alright guys, just finished up with RatchetWrenches. Coming in clutch, doing the install on the AFE intake. So keep an eye on the description. I'm going to put the link for the install video down there. Give these guys a follow, subscribe, hit their like button, buy their merch. They got some dope ass looking sweatshirts. I'm going to buy one myself.
Premium quality too.
Alright guys, so this is my average miles to the gallon. This is mainly city driving, a little bit of highway thrown in there, but that's what it's looking like now. I'm gonna give it about a week with the AFE intake and see what kind of gains we get.